Thanks for watching my video. I got those views, so now it's the little treat for you. So eat some cat food. Here we go. Got the Whiskers pouch with his napkin to make sure it doesn't go down his work shirt. And yeah, he said he's going to go for it all down in one, which I can't see why we'd do that, because that would make me be sick. But we'll see what he's got. Fishy. It's tuna whiskers. Tell you what, he's doing a lot better than I would have been. No sick yet, it's nearly all gone.
Oh, I'm done.
Oh, right, and here we've got the empty pouch for proof. Tiny bits in, but we'll let